I just made it to Hiroshima, 1945. I'm trying to tell them, I swear I'm trying. But no one believes me. They think I'm crazy. It is a disaster. You must listen.
These viral time travel vlog videos are exploding on Instagram right now. At first, they look very simple, but the results are shocking. Some of these videos are getting millions of views in a very short time. I found one account that only posted a few videos. However, almost every video crossed 1 million views, one even passed 10 million, and another reached 9 million. Because of this, the creator gained more than 570,000 followers in less than a month. Now here's the important part. This is not just one lucky creator. Many new creators are joining this trend right now, and they are growing very fast. So right now is the best time to start, before the trend becomes too crowded. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step and show you exactly how to create these time travel vlog videos. First, we start with idea creation using ChatGPT. Now, instead of thinking for hours, I've already prepared a special prompt for you. This prompt is designed to generate everything you need, including the story, image prompts, and even animation prompts. So, all you have to do is copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, in the video idea section, enter your concept. For example, I traveled to Japan in 1945 to warn them about Hiroshima, but they didn't listen. Once you send this, ChatGPT will instantly generate a full vlog breakdown. It gives you clear scenes, detailed image prompts, and animation prompts for each part. At this point, your planning is done. Most of the hard thinking is already handled for you. Next, we move on to creating visuals using Dzine AI. Inside Dzine AI, you get access to powerful tools, including a video model Seedance 2.0. This model helps you create realistic, cinematic videos very easily. So first, click on Create New Project. Then go to the image section. Here's Upload your character first. This helps keep your character consistent across every scene. Without this, your character may change, and your video will feel less professional. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene's image prompt. Paste it into Dzine AI. Now select the image generator. There are many options, but I recommend using Nano Banana Pro because it creates more cinematic and detailed results. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose 2K resolution. Now click Generate. You will see a cinematic image of your character in 1945 Hiroshima with peaceful streets and civilians. This matches the story perfectly. Next, go back to ChatGPT again and copy the second prompt. Paste it into Dzine AI and generate the next image. Repeat this process for all scenes, scene 3, 4, and 5. By the end, you will have multiple images. And more importantly, your character will stay consistent, and every scene will match your story. Now comes the most exciting part, turning images into videos. Go to the video section inside Dzine AI and choose the Start End Frame option. Upload your first image. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for that scene. Paste it into Dzine AI. Now select the model, Seedance 2.0. Dzine AI offers several models like Kling, Veo, Sora, and Halo. However, Seedance 2.0 stands out because it creates smoother, more realistic, and more cinematic results. You can now create videos up to 15 seconds long. This gives you more control over pacing and storytelling. For this example, I set the duration to around 13 seconds and click Generate. Now the AI starts creating your video. A simple image is transformed into a dynamic, realistic video that feels like a real vlog recorded in the past. Repeat this same process for all your images. Upload each image, paste the correct animation prompt, and generate the video. By the end, you will have multiple short clips that tell your full story. Finally, we combine everything using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your clips into the timeline. Then arrange them in the correct order based on your story. Next, add smooth transitions between clips. This helps your video flow naturally and keeps the viewer engaged. After that, go to Captions and generate subtitles. Style them in a way that matches your video. Once everything looks good, click Export. And just like that, your time travel vlog video is ready.
Guys, I just made it to Hiroshima, 1945. Everything looks so normal. I don't think they have any idea what's about to happen. I'm trying to tell them, I swear I'm trying. But no one believes me. They think I'm crazy. You're right. It is a disaster. You must listen.
Huh? Are you crazy?
I just talked to the soldiers. They laughed at me. They literally laughed. I don't know what else to do. Wait, do
you see that? There's a plane. Why is there only one plane?
Oh no. No. No, no, no. It's happening. It's happening.
Now, you know how to create these time travel vlog videos, so don't just watch this tutorial, try it yourself, and use powerful tools like Dzine AI to access Seedance 2.0. You can create high-quality cinematic videos that look like real footage, even if you are just starting. You can check out Dzine AI using the links in the description. I've also shared all the prompts and resources so you can follow step by step. If you need any help, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram group. It's the perfect place to ask questions, share your creations, and connect with other creators who can help you make even better videos. Plus, you'll find all the AI tools and the exact prompts we used in this tutorial, so you can try them out yourself. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.